Join us for the second annual Wheels for Meals presented by Fluor to benefit Meals on Wheels of Greenville. Nearly 300 riders participated in the inaugural Wheels for Meals cycling event, and even more are expected to come out and show their support at this year's event, to be held on Saturday, April 26th at 7 a.m. at Fluor Field in the West End. Riders will have the opportunity to participate in one of the 4 races being offered.
We are going to have 4 rides. Our premier ride, our Metric Century ride, the 62-mile ride, will leave the West End Field and will go up over Camp Old Indian, Callahan Mountain and back. Pretty nice ride. It's a rigorous ride. It's also a good training ride for some of the other spring and summer events that are coming up. We're launching a 40-mile ride this year in recognition of our anniversary. The 40-mile ride, as well as our 25-mile ride, will also leave the West End Field and will head out into the mountains and the foothills. And then we have our family event. The family ride is pretty unique in that it's for the parents and the children. And they will begin the ride by doing 2 laps inside of the ballpark, which is pretty cool. Leave the ballpark and we'll travel some of the trails around downtown Greenville, then back to the stadium, and we'll finish with a lap inside of the stadium.
Wheels for Meals has been endorsed by local cycling professional George Hincapie and 3-time U.S. Pro Cycling Champion Freddie Rodriguez. All riders who raise $500 or more will have the opportunity to ride with Freddie on Monday, April 28th at the BMW Performance Center during a VIP celebration. Registration is $35 until April 15th. Late registration will be $40. For children under 10 years of age, there is no registration fee with a paid parent. Mark your calendars now and come enjoy Meals on Wheels during this special anniversary year. For details on the 2008 Wheels for Meals Cycling Challenge presented by Fluor, visit millsonwheelsgreenville.org.